everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Born Pretty Spring Macaroon collection. This is a 6-piece collection consisting of really beautiful looking pastel colours. Today I'm going to be unboxing, swatching and reviewing these products. Before jumping into the video, I do need to state that I have been sent these for review, but all opinions are my own and I'll always give you my honest thoughts, but I have true faith that this set is going to be really nice anyway. So anything to go off the last Born Pretty gel polishes I got, I know I'm going to absolutely love them. These gel polishes are made of healthy ingredients, mainly of resin. They're also non-toxic and low odour, so they are safe to use. I'll pop an image up on the screen of what this collection looks like. It is available on Amazon for £18.99. So I'm really excited to swatch these. I have a feeling they're going to be really nice colours. So I'm going to jump straight into the video. I'm going to show you the packaging because I absolutely love the packaging, and then we're going to swatch them all. So I hope you will enjoy. If you do, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. But other than that, let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's so beautiful, literally so beautiful. It just says Born Pretty Professional Nail Art in this gold font. And then we've got this gorgeous metallic rainbow going on, and you can sort of see in the distance there, it says Shine Myself. This is what the packaging looked like for the previous set that I got. So yeah, Born Pretty are doing really well on the packaging front. I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's absolutely stunning. So inside this set, this is what it looks like. It's really nice, simplistic, compact, so we're not wasting no packaging. You've just simply got the 6 bottles of gel polish. This is what the gel polish bottles look like. They are glass bottles, 10ml in size, and they're just this gorgeous matte black with the gold font again. So these are the bottles in my previous video, which I will link up here and in my description box if you'd like to check that out. But Born Pretty are just smashing it on their packaging front. They look so bougie, they look proper professional and nice on your shelf. I feel like they're great if you work in a salon having these up on your shelf. They're just going to look absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I really love their packaging. On the back of the bottle, it states all the ingredients, which we really appreciate. It also has the caution guidelines that keep away from children. Be careful of sensitive skin and avoid strong light or high temperature. States again that they're 10ml bottles. And then here we've got some more details about the actual product itself. But I really like their bottles. I just think they're absolutely stunning. So I have just given all my swatches a coat of the Born Pretty base coat. Really beautiful base coat. And I'm going to start off by going in with this colour, which is CHS26, and it's a beautiful pastel yellow. It's absolutely beautiful colour. Looks really nice and pigmented. The brushes on these bottles feel really nice. They've got really nice handles. They just feel nice and comfortable to use, which we like. And yeah, that is one coat of that one. It's really gorgeous. Next, I'm going to go with this one, which is kind of like a pastel green, CHS36. I don't have a green like this in my collection, so I'm very excited about this. It's absolutely stunning green. I really like it. And you can just see how pigmented it is. Like with one coat, it is really pigmented and opaque. I will probably still give them 2 coats, just so we can see that true colour, but they don't necessarily need it. Like, they are really pigmented gel polishes. I really like them. But I knew I would. After trying their reflective glitter gels, I knew I'd absolutely love these. But yeah, that is that colour. It's so beautiful. Next, we're going to go with this one, which is a blue. This is CHS53. Again, absolutely gorgeous colour. And you can just see how opaque that is just with the one coat. They're really nice gel polishes. They're not too thick, they're not too runny, they're like an absolutely fantastic consistency. They feel really smooth and lovely to apply. They're not lumpy and bumpy at all. Yeah, one coat, you can't complain at that, can you? Moving on, we have got a peachy nude colour. This is CHS78. Always love a good nude colour. It's definitely a very peachy nude. Absolutely ideal for the summer. And there we go. Absolutely stunning. This one is kind of like a dusky pink colour. This is CHS14. This is probably one of my favourite sort of shades of pink. It's quite neutral, it's not too bright and in your face. I'm not like a huge pink person, but this sort of pink I do really like. I feel like it's quite, yeah, nude and neutral, I would say. And it's definitely a sort of colour that I would wear. But you can just see how nice they are, like one coat of those is pretty good coverage. I feel like on your natural nails you could easily get away with one coat. And then finally we've got this red colour, which is CHS19. It's absolutely stunning. I think this would be a good lipstick colour. I'm very impressed by the coverage with these. It is such good coverage. And like, I don't lag it on either, like I do apply my coats quite thinly. And for that to have pretty much full coverage, you really cannot complain. It's gorgeous. Okay, so that's the colours all swatched. I did go in and give them all another coat of camera, although I really didn't feel like I needed to because they really are so opaque and so beautiful. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. This top coat is so glossy, it's so nice. I really, really, really love it. Highly recommend it. But I'm going to give these all a coat of this top coat. I'm going to cure it. And then I'm also going to do half of the swatch sticks with this Born Pretty matte top coat as well, which is also a really good matte top coat. You'll see for yourselves in a moment. But yeah, I'm just going to do that and then I'll be right back. So there we go. Just look at them, they're just so nice. Like I said, that matte top coat, see how truly matte it is and the shine, like look at the glossy. I truly, truly recommend the top coats, they're so beautiful. Overall, I generally really just recommend Born Pretty gel polishes. I hadn't tried any of their gel polishes up until about a week ago, and I can tell you now, genuinely from the bottom of my heart, I think they're one of my favourite brands. They're definitely up there, I think, in my top 3 favourite brands, because I just really, really, really like their gel polish. Their reflective glitter gels just truly, truly wow me. I'm sure you guys have seen them everywhere by now, because they are just so beautiful. Everyone's got them, they're so lush. And these as well, like, I'm generally very impressed with how opaque they are with one coat, how they cure, the general colours themselves. The bottles are so, so, so nice. And I can't fault them at all. I just think they're really, really, really nice. I'm even wearing the reflective gels on my nails. Literally, it's been months since I built extensions on my nails, but as soon as I tested out those reflective glitter gels, I had to. And they are a bit battered now. I've been doing lots of gardening, I've been moving concrete blocks, which truly ruined my nails the other day. They're also starting to grow out a bit. I really need to redo them, but I actually fell in love that much. Literally, as soon as I finished my review on those glitter gels, I knew I had to put them on my nails, so I did. The way these glitter gels sparkle is truly something else. Like, it's not doing it justice because it is still daylight, but they are just beautiful. I'll link that video, like I said, in the description box if you'd like to check it out. It's definitely well worth the watch. But I'm in love with Born Pretty. Like I said, I just literally have no complaints whatsoever. I love them. I think they are just so, so, so nice. And they definitely are well up there on my recommendation list. So I'll link everywhere that you can buy these down in my description box. I will also link the top coat, matte top coat, and the base coat if you'd like to check those out for yourselves as well. I will link the glitter gel video. I'll also link that kit. I will just leave links to everything and you guys can take a look for yourselves. But I really love these products. I definitely would like to try more in the future. These will be taking pride of joy up on my shelf, looking absolutely stunning, and I'll definitely be using them a lot. So thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending these to me, and thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, please remember to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time that I upload. But other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day, whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!